This is Steve, High Performance Systems, taking a look at a job detail here on our Manassas project. We're applying a 4-inch high radial cove. Cove bases can go up as high as you'd like to create a clean room atmosphere for your operating or a hospital type settings. In this instance, we're doing a commercial kitchen and bakery. This removes all your 90-degree angles, creates a very easy to maintain sanitary functioning production area, and meets all USDA, FDA certifications, and allows for your plant to be in high production with minimal downtime on cleanup. We'll be taking a look at the mix station here. You can create your cove-based material with pretty much any resin. For the instance here, we're using an epoxy resin with a cement urethane top coat to create a ideal situation for the subsequent flooring material throughout this area. Basically, you're going to be making your Part A, Part B hardener and resin as per data sheets for the specific product, and applying sand until you create a mortar in a dry manner.
It would have looked low, like you would have seen it.
This wasn't full though, I know that.
So that's your mix station, and we'll be coming over here taking a look at the application. Typically you have a two-man setup, one guy throwing up where he's going to be applying your thickness, and another guy finishing off where he's going to compact the actual mortar into the actual cove base. So here you see some finished cove base. And here you see the guys applying it. From here we'll actually do still have a couple more steps to finish this cove off. Remove the tape, get a rubbing stone to take the top edge and make it a nice straight 90-degree or straight line all the way across. Get a thinner and some brush, knock off any snots, and come back and encapsulate all of our mortar and create a finished product floor. Basically creating a containment area where you can hit walls, if they're made of FRP or top coat of epoxy, run down the walls into the floor, and with proper pitch directly into a drain with no standing water.